Do you know in Edge browser, you can split the browser screen? One click, split. So what is the benefit of this? I'm going to show you three practical scenarios where this is useful. First thing is you're looking at some kind of reference. In this case, it's a list of movies. Now, if I want to check out a particular movie, when I click on it, the page is going to open here and my original list is lost. If I wanted to open in a new page, I have to right click and say open in new tab. That's also painful. So instead, I click on split screen. Then on this side, I just choose anything. And here you get a hover menu. Click on that menu and choose link tabs. Nothing will happen as of now, but wait. Now when I click on a particular link on the left side, that link will open on the right side. And that's exactly what we wanted. So now I can check out multiple items from the reference very quickly. The next scenario is you're following instructions. I've already split it because you know how to do it. On the left side, there are some instructions. Go to this, step 1, step 2, step 3. And I want to actually follow the steps. I go to information protection, for example. And now I need to go to labels. This is also very convenient. And the third one there is vertical. These are two different tabs. I've opened two different Excel files, one on top, one at the bottom. How is that done? Again, it's the hover menu. And here we have split screen vertically or horizontally. Now, what if you don't see this split button? Make sure you have the latest version of Edge. How do you do that? You go to About Microsoft Edge and it will automatically start updating. Next, go to Settings and search for split. You'll see lots of options. What we are looking for is select which buttons show on the toolbar. And there, make sure split screen button is on. That's it for now. See you next time. Thank you.